Here's how to sign up for Shopify Affiliate Program. Begin with your preferred account already signed in, then open the official Shopify Affiliate Program webpage in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the button labeled Become an Affiliate and click it to start the application. This takes you to the next page in the sign up flow where you will see a sign up option. Click Sign Up to continue. You will then be asked to choose the platform or account you want to use for registration. Depending on what appears on your screen, the available choices may include Apple, Facebook, Google, X, or LinkedIn. Select the account you want to use and make sure it is the correct one before moving forward, especially if you are signed in to more than one account in your browser. After you choose a platform, a browser pop-up will appear for authentication. In that pop-up, sign in with the credentials for the account you selected. If you are already signed in, you may only need to confirm access and continue. Wait a moment if the browser needs time to complete the sign in and return you to the Shopify application page. Once you are back on the sign up form, enter the requested personal and affiliate information. Fill in each field that applies to you and provide the details the form asks for. The exact fields may vary, but use the information associated with your account and your affiliate activity. If a field is marked as required, make sure it is completed before you proceed. When the form is filled out, review everything you entered. Check for typing errors, missing fields, or any information that does not match the account you used to sign up. This is the point where it helps to pause and confirm that all required details are present, because the application may not move forward if something has been left incomplete. After reviewing the form, go to the bottom of the page and click Get Started. That submits your information and moves you into the final part of the application process. From there, continue by following any remaining prompts shown on screen. These prompts may vary slightly depending on the account you used and the current version of the Shopify affiliate sign-up flow, so move through each screen in order and confirm any details the application requests. Stay with the process until you reach the final confirmation that your application has been submitted or completed. If an extra permission screen appears during this stage, read it and continue with the option that keeps the sign-up process moving forward. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify affiliate program application has now been submitted through the sign-up process.